Namaskar, this is Mudit Kamleshwar and you are watching Rebel News India. Saturday night, Prime Minister addressed the nation and announced Corona relief package of 20 lakh crore, 10% of total GDP of India, and said that Finance Minister will brief about it, that how this package is going to help the common people of India. Today, Finance Minister did a press conference and allotted a huge money to boost MSME sector. We have a brief reporting about it. But before that, let me show you today's top headline, starting with regional and national news.
People will have to take e-pass to move one district to another in Bihar. 123 foreign tourists stranded in different Buddhist circuits of the country due to lockdown leaves for Thailand today from International Airport Gaya. Shramik special train carrying 1200 migrant workers from Mumbai reached Bettiah today. 29 more COVID-19 positive cases in Bihar, taking the total to 908. No global tenders up to Rs 200 crore, particularly in government procurement, said Finance Minister, and manufacturing and service-based MSME will defined as same from now, said Sitaraman. Phase 2 of Vande Bharat evacuation mission from May 16 to 22. CJI to soon issue order on dress code for judges and lawyers. Facebook doesn't provide all the data requested by the governments and hence it provided data in 57% cases in 6 months to the Indian authorities.
Have a look on international news.
Trump wants California to let automaker Tesla reopen assembly plant. 113-year-old Spanish woman survives coronavirus. Researchers revise US coronavirus death forecast upward again. Fear of coronavirus second wave stalls stock market. Saudi Arabia to enforce round-the-clock virus curfew at Eid. Jobless immigrants in US rise 455% to 4.3 million in April.
After this all, we cannot neglect to show you some news which are coming from sports and entertainment zone.
Senior players to be axed from Pakistan's central contract list drafted by Misbah. Japanese fencer Ryo Miyake now delivering food for Uber Eats in Tokyo to earn extra cash and maintain fitness. Nasser Hussain has his says as a question mark. Can India adopt split captaincy? Sohaib Akhtar called PCB defamation notice legally defective. I still have cricket left in me. Suresh Raina tells Rohit Sharma during a Instagram live chat. Ashish Kumar says, watching videos of my own fights and opponent during lockdown. Amitabh Bachchan launches Break the Stigma campaign for COVID-19 survivors. Aamir Khan and his wife Kiran Raw attends longtime assistant Amos Paul's last rite amid lockdown. Shahid Kapoor praises Allu Arjun's dance skills. Shehnaz Gill launches YouTube channel and more. Today is the birthday of Sunny Leone. She turns 39 today. Unseen peak of Rana and Mihika is going viral on the internet. Anil Kapoor shares his happiest memory with Rishi Kapoor.
Let me show you a brief reporting of a press conference of Nirmala Sitharaman. Have a look.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has today announced that the government will provide Rs 3 lakh crore collateral-free automatic loans for businesses, including SMEs, as she shares details of the Rs 20 lakh crore economic relief package announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday to soften the devastating impact of coronavirus and the lockdown on the economy. The Finance Minister says that the economic package will be released in tranches and today's tranche will have 14 different measures. 6 of these are for MSME, 2 are for EPFO, 2 for NBFCs and mutual funds, and 1 each for discoms, contractors, real estate and tax measures.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.